Dear student, this is the question of the control system, and they want to know what should be the value of this K for this unity feedback system when the natural frequency of oscillation is 2 radian per second. That means you have to calculate this value of K, for which your system is having the resonant frequency of 2 radian per second. And we know whenever they are asking about the resonant frequency of the system, that means my system will become marginally stable at that time. That means you have to calculate the value of K for which your system will become marginally stable system. To do that, 1 plus, I will calculate first the value of the characteristic equation. And they have provided that this is a unity feedback system, that means H of S equals to 1. I will put directly the value 2S plus 2 divided by S cube plus KS square plus 2S plus 1 is equals to 0. S cube plus KS square plus 4S plus 3 is equals to 0. And this is my characteristic equation. And I want to calculate at which value of K my system will become marginally stable system. That means the S cube, S raised to 2, S raised to 1, S raised to 0. I will do with the RH criteria. That means 1, 4, K and 3. That means the 4K minus 3 divided by K, 0, and you will get 3. Now, if you want to claim that my system is marginally stable system, you should get here the row of zeros. Then only you can claim that your system is marginally stable system. That means this 4K minus 3 divided by K should be 0. That means the 4K minus 3 should be 0. That means K should be 3 by 4. The values will be 0.75. Now, if you want to cross check for this K, you are getting the value of 2 radian per second or not, just frame the auxiliary equation from here. That means the KS square plus 3 is equals to 0. Put the value of K, 3 by 4, S square plus 3 is equals to 0. 3 will go out. That means S square will be minus 4, S will be plus 2, plus minus J2. S equals to J omega and J2. Because frequency cannot be negative, that's why I am neglecting the minus sign. JJ will cancel out. Omega is equals to 2 radian per second. That means the value of K is 0.75.